Hi everyone, I'm ChinSiang. So today I'm going to share with you my first impression of these Sony XM4 earbuds. Actually, I'm using this Apple AirPods Pro for quite some time now, and I just got this from Sony Center, Queens Bay. This is a brand new Sony XM4 earbuds. So alright, first impression. I think if we talk about the box, okay, AirPods Pro is a little bit bigger, and this Sony XM4 box is actually very gold green feel. Talking about the size, as you can see, this Sony casing actually can stand like that or lie down. But for this Apple one, it's just lie down. It cannot stand by itself unless you buy a casing. You buy a customized case. So alright, first impression. Opening up this thing, it feels almost the same for me. It's very easy to open up. Then next, we talk about taking out the earbuds from this casing. From Apple, I feel it's okay. It's very easy to take out and put it back. For Sony, it feels a little bit, I would say like it's magnetically strong. A little bit hard to take it out, but I think for me it's fine. And secondly, this Sony earbuds actually comes with two colors. This is so-called silver color, alright, and it comes with black color as well. But Apple AirPods is just white as usual. This Sony earbuds, the material is a little bit matte. Comparing to glossy, this one is more to personal feel. I actually prefer this touch. It feels more good. It feels good. And talking about the case, I feel for me, I would prefer a smaller casing because it's easier to keep, whether it's in a pocket or anywhere. Okay, next I'm going to talk about the feeling of like wearing these earbuds. For me, if Apple AirPods, I feel it's comfortable. It won't drop. Like, so far okay. Like for maybe sports people also, it will feel good. How about this Sony? It's a bit different. As you can see the design. For this AirPods Pro, it looks like a bean sprout tauge. Okay. Then this one is like a snail maybe. Right. The feeling of wearing these both earbuds actually, I think is identical to me. It won't feel like easily fall out also. So I think both equally same. I see some complaints over the internet saying that this is a little bit too big, but I think it's really up to personal preference because for me, maybe my ear is big enough, so it fits in perfectly. After I wear it, I need to do some slight adjustment. It's the same for me for both Apple AirPods and also these Sony earbuds. Okay, next I'm going to share with you about the sound quality of these two earbuds. The sample music that I'm going to use is Bohemian Rhapsody. So I actually tested with Apple AirPods. Okay, and next, now I'm going to test with these Sony XM4 earbuds. Okay, I would say both of these earbuds sounds a little bit different in the same music. That AirPods Pro give me a feeling of a little bit more solid, and then this Sony one is a bit relaxed feel. Even though the Sony sounds a little bit different from my original AirPods Pro, but actually in this Sony XM4, there's an app actually for you to control the audio quality. There's an equalizer over here where you can actually set like excited, bright, mellow, relaxed vocal, treble boost, or maybe bass boost or speech. Quite a few choices for you to explore here. And if let's say I set it to treble boost or vocal, it sounds a little bit similar, I would say, to my AirPods Pro. So I think it's up to your personal preference. If let's say you prefer more relaxed feel, vocal feel, treble feel, you can actually set it all in this Sony XM4. And now I'd like to test the noise cancellation effect. For this AirPods Pro, actually with a long hole, you can actually activate the noise cancellation. And after turning on the noise cancellation, I actually feel like I'm immersed into a vacuum area. So if you are not playing music with this turning on, you'll feel like something is pressing on you. And for this Sony noise cancellation, you can actually have a single tap on it, turn it to ambient sound or noise cancelling. But the feeling of the noise cancelling is a bit different for this Sony and Apple AirPods, because for Sony, after turning on the noise cancelling, I actually feel, I don't feel the pressure. But should we feel the pressure so that the noise cancelling is effective? I'm not very sure this one. And talking about the control of these earbuds, for Sony and AirPods actually is similar, which is like you can have, for Sony you can have one tap to turn on the ambient sound or noise cancellation. For AirPods you just long press, and you can also control the play, pause, and next track, previous track with the earbuds. Both these earbuds actually have this control. And one thing I would like to mention about this Sony XM4 earbuds is you can actually assign the tapping function to change from the ambient sound control to playback control or volume control. Volume control is something that AirPods Pro don't have. So it's up to your preference. If you are someone that always want to control the volume, you can actually set this to replace your playback control or maybe the ambient sound control. Alright, and that's almost the end for this first impression video. For me, I think if let's say you are Apple fans, you definitely go for Apple AirPods. But if let's say you are not, then Sony XM4 is a good choice. I've seen many great reviews of these Sony earbuds, and I think this is a good buy. And if you like customization, you can actually go for this Sony XM4 because you can customize your equalizer, and also you can assign custom function like volume control to your earbuds. For pricing wise, this Sony XM4, the RSP is 1099, and for this AirPods Pro is actually 899. So if you're planning to get this Sony XM4, remember, go to Sony Center, Queens Bay. And if you're lucky enough, like me, you actually get this Qi compatible wireless charging pad for free. This is with compliments from Sony Malaysia. There's limited stock available for this one. So act now to get your Sony XM4 if you're interested.